Knobelsdorff is unique in the fact that we have electrical construction and an electrical engineering and automation company under one roof. There's other companies out there that do that, but they're separate companies, separate identities, they operate in silos where our teams work together. The difference with our people is we understand the process. We know how a flour mill works, we know how to make flour, we know how to make feed, we know how to make cheese, we know the process. We always love taking on new challenges. The bigger, the dumber, the uglier for us usually gets us more excited. We get shit done, do whatever it takes mentality, and the customers love that. We don't just stand there and say, well, that's not electrical work, we're not doing that. You know, our guys pitch in. You need help setting that motor? Absolutely. You need help with that process pipe? That's ingrained into that Midwestern work ethic and culture of do whatever it takes to get the work done. This is how we do it. It's done right every time. We do whatever it takes, and we care. I'm not just trying to build it to meet code. I'm trying to build it so that these guys can operate a plant safely and efficiently in the years to come. Engineer it, build it, and maintain it. We will do whatever it takes to make your project a success.